Right, welcome to a how-to guide on how to start, pause the cycle, cancel the cycle on a Bush washing machine like this. And it can be applied to Swan, Montpellier, Curry's Essentials, Logic, Tesco Value, Pro Action, and the list goes on really. There's a lot. This machine is manufactured by a big brand called Vestal. And they also manufacture generic brands as well, such as the ones I've just listed. So this can be applied to all these. So to select a program, turn the dial to the program you wish to have, and the first thing you need to do is make sure that the play light is lit up. If it's not lit up, that means it's still within cycle somewhere, and therefore you would have to then try and reset it first. So if we turn it on and the play light comes on, that means we can now select the cycle. So we're going to select spin, and to start we hit the start button. If we want to pause the cycle, we just hit the start pause button once. Then the start pause button light will flash to tell you that it's in pause mode. If we turn the dial to another setting, it won't change. But if we pause the cycle, and we select a different setting, we press pause again, the machine will still resume the same cycle. So to cancel the program, which you have to do, you can hit the start pause button, or just simply turn it off without even hitting the start pause button. When we turn it back on, the play light should light. So now when we select the cycle, it will select the new cycle. Likewise, if you don't hit the pause button and you still turn it off, it will still reset. If you want to switch off the washing machine but still save the setting where it's up to, what you actually need to do is activate the child lock first, then switch it off, and then your program is stored. When you switch the machine back on to any position, it will resume the cycle it was in. And that's it. That is a little how-to guide on how to start, pause and cancel a cycle on a Bosch washing machine. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful to use in your own machine at home.